What are you doing, bud? What are you doing? You taking a bath? Hello? Declan, how old are you? Are you 1?
2.
2. He's 2 instead. Are you 1? How old are you? Ooh. Yeah? Where's your belly button? Where's your belly button? Huh? Too preoccupied with the cup. Can you say hi, Grandma? Hello? Hi, Grandma. Say it. Hey, you. Hi. Silly boy. You're not being very exciting. You're supposed to do something. Is that right, huh? It bit you. Yeah? It floats, huh? That's cool. Can you put that on your head?